Welcome to Talent Tuesday with my good friend Marie-Louise of Marie-Louise Art and myself. If you missed her wonderful creation, her premiere video link will be in my description below. Make sure you check it out. Welcome. I have a plan. I am going to do a Bloom plus Double Larimar. I did one before and I wanted to do one in the traditional Larimar colors. So I mixed up a bunch of Nic Pro resin, Nic Pro Epoxy Resin. It's a regular 1-to-1 resin and it's at about 33.5 degrees Celsius. And I'm just gonna put a thin layer on the bottom here. I'm not gonna end up using all of this. But I was right at the very end of my amount for the Nic Pro. I decanted 10 in here because I'm gonna make, you know, a few little mini blooms like these out of the remains, so they will not go to waste. So I decanted 10 grams here. I put 1 drop of Julie's Bloom paste in it, and then I put 1 drop of Forget Me Not by Decor Rum. And now I'm gonna start piping. Let me get that out of the way too. So I just wanna keep my center pretty small for the final flower, so I don't wanna go out much more than, well, than I need to. But it's so hard to control yourself with the piping. And yes, it will come back in. It kind of spreads out a little bit and then it comes right back in. Works its magic. But I just want a little bloom. I'll put like a little one there, a little one here maybe. I don't really want to do too much more of that. Maybe I'll... Okay, that's it. Stop messing. Stop messing. Okay, this isn't the stick I normally use, but okay, we gotta join those up. And I want to get my center. Yeah, I don't like this one. Found it. Shoot, now this is... There, that's it. You know me, I don't like to swirl a lot. I just don't. Maybe I should add another little bit in there. Okay, because I do want that to close up. And that's it. So I will see you when this layer is cured. Be back. Here we are back for layer number 2, the Double Larimar. Look at these little cuties. My little mini blooms, a little bit blobby. This one's really cool, as is this one. Anyway, had to show you what I did with my leftovers. Better unstick them. Okay, so where was I? So I've got 40 grams in this cup with 4 drops of Bloom paste. This is gonna be my light plus clear all together. Oh, and by the way, I'm using Transparente by Resin Pro. It's a 5-to-3 resin. And I mixed up a total of 130 grams. And what's this one? Okay, so this is gonna be my dark. And I'm gonna use Phthalo Turquoise and 1 drop of Primary Black. And what am I doing? I think I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do 5 drops of the Phthalo Turquoise plus 1 drop of the black. There. That's what's going in there. Get another stick. Mix that up. Scrape my edges. Mix, mix, mix. And my clear. Man, I hope I got that right. I think it's okay. Shoot. I hope I got my cups just right. No, I'm pretty sure I did. Don't forget to scrape off your stick to see how that ink sticks to it. These are all acrylic inks by Holbein as well. So nice and dark, but still quite clear on the sticker. I should say transparent. Okay. And now the light one. I'm gonna do 4 drops. And this is primary cyan. Get that mixed in. I did not wait for the resin to achieve any sort of temperature. I just mixed it up and I put it in my bubble remover machine for 3 minutes and put my, decanted, mixed up my white and started the video. Oh my gosh. I must have had look at that little crouton. I must have had it on my hand. I'm calling it a little crouton, a crusty bit from one of the bottles. All right, let's fish it out. There. All right. Hopefully dislodge any bubbles from the bottom. Pop the bubbles. Okay, that looks good. The white, by the way, I put 4 drops of Julie's Bloom paste, Pouring Your Heart Out. You can get it on her eBay store. And so I'm just following Julie Cuts from Pouring Your Heart Out again. Recipe for the Double Larimar. Get that in there. That's looking good. And yes, Larimar is actually a real gemstone, and it's only found in one specific region in the Dominican Republic. How cool is that? And that's where this technique gets its name from, because the end results mimic what a Larimar stone looks like. And let's face it, it's blue and beautiful, and you can't go wrong with blue. So blue is the traditional color of the Larimar. Of course, we artists like to make it in all different kinds of colors, but blue is the actual stone color. All right, I'm gonna put this on a time lapse and we'll see you on the other side. Grand finale time. So this is the one that I did previously, and this is looking very similar. So I have hope. This is how this one looked. And I was so excited with it. I was like, I want to do like real color Larimar. So here it is. love that noise. Okay, here we go. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it even more than my first Bloom+Larimar. This one, which I called the Ghost Bloom. Very pretty, but there's a lot of white still. This is extraordinary. Just look at the colors and just the different lines going through it. I'm in love with it. All right, let me bring this up. Oh, the light. You guys see? It's like it's glowing from the inside, and I love it. Oh, wow. Oh, I hope you all like this one too. Again, I want to give a shout out to Julie Cuts at Pouring Your Heart Out for coming up with this double-sided Larimar. I think it is so, so cool. All right. I thank you all for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope that you'll come back and visit me again real soon. So till next time, bye for now.